Listener supported. WNYC Studios.
Did you know what you were getting into when you took out these loans?
I think about that a lot. I have a lot of guilt and shame over that. I had the mindset, I think, I'll say a lot of 19, 20-year-olds where I had really great expectations for how successful I was going to be.
What's your degree in?
Management and organizational development.
Are you glad you have that degree?
Hell no.
Death, Sex, and Money is the show about the things we think about a lot and need to talk about more. That's how a lot of you feel about your student loans.
This is my dark place.
We asked you to tell us about your student loans, and we heard from hundreds and hundreds of you. You've told us how much you owe.
I am
$10,000, $80,000,
$7,500
$300,000
in student loan debt.
And you've told us how that debt has affected your life.
I ended up remarrying my ex-husband because I couldn't afford to pay my bills.
Your student loan debt has changed the way you feel about education and about the American dream.
I don't know how else to put it except that I almost made it.
I feel fooled and bamboozled.
We were told that, doors would open.
That was not true.
I've done some stupid things in my life, but this is probably one of the largest.
There are 44 million Americans who have student loan debt, totaling more than $1.3 trillion. We have more student loan debt than credit card debt, and that number is growing fast. It's up 170% in the last 10 years. But what we heard over and over again is how alone you feel.
My own husband, he has no idea.
I don't really bring it up with friends.
And so you sort of feel lost and you totally screwed up somehow.
I don't know, I guess it's just embarrassing and I don't want to tell anyone.
Our student loan secrets. Hear them in our next episode on June 28th. But right now, you can see where you fit when it comes to student debt. Go to deathsexmoney.org/student loans. We built a tool there that will tell you how your student loan debt compares to other Americans and to other Death, Sex, and Money listeners. We also have animated videos of what we've heard from some of you, resources to learn more about student loans and financial planning, and a place for you to share your student loan story if you haven't already. That's at deathsexmoney.org/student loans.